What is up, my Fred Riders? And today's video, it's sort of a different video. Oh, you can see the glare in my eyes. Anyways, we're gonna be first thoughts, initial thoughts, or whatever you want to call them. I don't know what they're called. For first reaction to the Nissan Z Proto. I guess they didn't go with the Nissan 400. But yeah, I've seen some pictures of it already. I'm not gonna lie, and they look amazing, in my opinion. Well, let's just watch the video. That's a sleek design. That's beautiful. Is that carbon fiber? That's beautiful. Wow. Ooh, the interior, nice. Is that a manual? Did I just say manual? Oh, it is a manual. 6-speed manual transmission. Oh my god. Wow, dang, that, like, I don't even know what to say. Oh man, well, today's video was gonna be the mods I want to do with my Eagle Talon, but then I heard about the Nissan Z 400, or now it's called the Nissan Z Proto, which I think Proto sounds cool. It sounds cool. It's both of the time they were the 400, the Proto. They both have good names. We can give them that. And I was gonna do that, but then I heard over the weekend that there was a new Nissan coming out, so I said, I need to see what this is about. And by the looks of it, it looks amazing. The design and everything. Personally, I like the design, especially the front bumper. Let's go back right here. This looks amazing. Look, gives me the retro look, retro style. I'm a big fan of retro, and I wasn't born back in the day, but I don't know why I said born. But anyways, yeah. I like the bumper. A lot of people say they have mixed feelings about it, but I like it. I like how the design, the back looks amazing. Let's see if we can get the back. Boop, bop, bop. The back looks amazing. The rectangular LED lights. It's not like my car, but I like old retro vintage style cars, and this looks amazing. And then they did the comparison with the, I think that's the Datsun. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing. You guys can roast me in the comments. I don't know if I like the yellow. Oh yeah, the carbon fiber. I don't know if that's real carbon fiber or not, but it looks amazing either way. I'm not a big fan of yellow. I'd probably get it painted or get it red if it's on red. But besides that, I like the Z symbols everywhere. It looks amazing, perfect. Hey, the gas lid's on that side too, like my car. Amazing. And then the interior. Oh my god. This is exactly, this is a little spoiler. This is how I want to do my interior for my Eagle Talon. A futuristic look. The triple Z meter gauges. The manual. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. First off, I don't know how to drive manual, but I'm willing to learn in this car. I know I'm probably going to get hit like, oh, you're going to ruin a perfectly brand new car. Yeah, but come on, it's amazing. It looks amazing. I just love how it looks. It's small, compact, or I don't know, compact is the word for it, but it's beautiful. But yeah, I don't know how to drive manual. So I guess the thing you guys have been waiting. Will I get it? As of right now, I don't have money, but I will definitely get it. Um, I would honestly get it. Yep. If I have the money when it comes out, I don't even care if I go into debt. But I'm getting this car no matter what. Even if I get it a year later or whatever, I'm gonna get it eventually. But I am gonna get it manual too, so I can learn manual. And I forgot what I was gonna say about it. Oh yeah, for you guys, for what my old viewers, you guys did know that before you guys know that before I was gonna get the Eagle Talent, I was thinking of getting a Nissan 350Z or a Mustang. I think 2010 Mustang, or was it 2010? I don't know, but it was around 2010, 2008, 13 ish year. But I was going more towards the 350Z, and then I went because of the Fast and Furious movies. That's the reason why I got into cars, because of the Fast and Furious. Anyways, though, I really wanted to get a Nissan 350Z, and then I found a good deal on the Mustang, and I said, "Oh, which one would I get?" And then out of nowhere, coming from the right corner, literally across town where I live, literally like maybe like 3 roads down from the street I live, Eagle Talent for sale. And I had never heard that car. I just like how it looked. I don't care how fast the car is, or its torque, or whatever. I don't care about that, or how old it is. I care about the looks. That's my personal preference. I don't care how fast or slow. If I look at a Honda Civic and it looks good enough for me, for my taste, I'll say, "Oh, that looks amazing." I don't care how fast it is. Like, there's a lot of people that, "Oh, 2J swap it, whatever," or swap the engine, or make it manual. Personally, that's a lot of money to do that. First of all, I don't know why people think I have that much money, but I care all about the looks. Like the Nissan Proto, it looks amazing. Like, I don't see what I would do to it, and just how it is stock, it looks amazing. Maybe get it a different color, like I said. But besides that, it gets a 10 out of me. I don't know about Donut Media, that dude in blue, or other guys, but that's what makes us different channels. I like how it looks. For me, it's a 10, and I'm probably gonna buy it. So expect a surprise car video of the Nissan Z Proto. That'd be cool. Who An 18-year-old having a brand new car? That's amazing. But yeah, smash that like button. This video has been quite long, but yeah, Nissan, you did an amazing job as always. Well, for the Z line, of course. I don't know about the other stuff. I just look at the Z line, just like Ford. I'm more of a Mustang and Expedition type thing, not trucks. I don't really get into trucks. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys next week's video, like I said. Ooh, and I don't know why I did that. All right, see you guys later.